Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have a couple of little 6x6 pieces of MDF, which is a kind of plywood. I've primed them and I've been wanting to try something. So I'm just going to kind of go for it. And I have this thought of taking a plastic shopping bag, which I keep a bunch of them from when I go shopping, because I use them for different things. I'll use them for garbage bags or whatever. And you know, I see a lot of people doing balloon dips. I've done them myself. They're kind of fun. But I want to know what kind of pattern I can get using one of these plastic bags on just a puddle. If this doesn't turn out, okay, I won't show the video, but I'm just curious. I want to try something new. Get my sides. I'll cover this one quickly. Usually don't do this on camera because it's boring to watch somebody putting white paint all over their canvas or whatever they're using. So I'll do it as quick as I can. Let it settle. Okay. And today I'm using Floetrol and water as my pouring medium. Get the bubbles out of here. Alright, I grabbed some of my favorite colors here. I have an Anita's Florescent Pink. Start out by putting a puddle of that. I have a violet. Oops. Shouldn't have shook that so hard. And I have a primary yellow. Don't want to do too much of that. A nice ultramarine. Do a puddle like that. I also have a fluorescent orange here. Maybe I'll put one drop of that in the middle. 2, 3, 4. Alright. And this is just a regular old shopping bag from when I go grocery shopping. I'm going to wad it up into a ball. And I'm going to, let's see what happens. Just going to dunk it in there. Ooh, it's pretty cool. I like that. That's really pretty. Move it around a little bit. See if we can stretch it out a little. Very cool, very cool. Okay, let's see. It's kind of a lot of paint right in the middle, so I'm just gonna get a paper towel. I'm gonna wipe this. I'm gonna pick up some of that in the middle. It's so pretty. Let's give it a torch, see what happens. Oh, I like it. Just kind of nice little delicate. It's like a flower. I like. I'm going to leave it just like that. I see a little spot right there I want to get rid of. Okay. Let's see, what are we going to do with this one? I think I'm going to start with the ultramarine. And then go with my fluorescent pink. Some of the violet. And you know, that other one I barely see any yellow, so I think I'll go a little bit more yellow on this one. And just a little bit of orange. I'm gonna get a clean bag. Wad it up into a little ball. And let's see what we can do with this one. Dip it in there. A lot more paint on this canvas. A lot more base paint, it looks like. I'll let it run a little bit. Wipe it off. Back in. Oh, it's very pretty. Go back in here. See if I can soften that up a little bit. Okay, I'm done. I don't want to muddy it up. There's a lot of paint in the center, so I'm going to have to move that one around. Oh, there's a lot of paint on there. Might have to dump some off. Just going to bring it down a little bit. Then I'll bring it back. Okay. So pretty. Let me hit it one more time. I'm going to pick up that in the center. Just slowly pull up. It's so pretty. I love it. Give it a torch. I think I might do that again. I like that. That makes a very pretty little picture. So delicate. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick little test of a idea that I had. I'm pretty pleased with it. I think it looks really cool. Got some really neat little tiny cells in there. I like the way the colors have mixed together. Right. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye.